sell that. Go sell your wood pan business. You're not getting my laptop. You're not going anywhere with my laptop. So if you want it, you have to fight my feet today. Get your rascal.
Give me this.
You're not freaking get my laptop. You hear? Like I'm a foot. Like I'm a foot. Can me mash up your head with this?
It is obvious, you know. That I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing. I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know. That I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing. I've been waiting just to see you.
Yo, watch this. Niques work. What she gonna for do her some tea or something like so? So I go try brown car. You get me? I say, alright then. I say, what I want to try. Yeah, they supposed to go there now. Let me see. I got try brown car. I don't know what I'm just a try a thing.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Why you get a little job and not lie? You get benefits. Oh, you get medical, dental, all of them, something too. He's just a little beast.
Yo. Yeah, mama, there, I wanna go and hold it.
I'm just gonna get ready. Cause I'm really gonna get there early so I can go to the floor first.
I'm going to go. That's
The
chill.
shade room.
I go and hold them as usual. They don't know.
I don't even know what I'm finna wear. I'm finna go like. We'll be back.
Yeah.
So rude.
See that?
See what?
May I sell you, know? No, go on, brother.
You're a liar.
May I toast and take it?
Babe,
Bridget, me talk.
you're not talking to nobody.
Why?
Where Bridget there?
Look on the phone.
Mama see him.
Chill. Alright, look more. You know, me just kick it, me move it.
Cause when him say, yeah, brother, I think I gotta sell blood clot what? Why you not sell that?
That can't sell. And that I do the
Oh,
work.
what he say?
That can't sell, that I do work.
What kind of work that do?
My work. You're not easy if you come sell my things. You're not easy, you sell your stuff. You can't but you can't volunteer to sell my stuff.
When me get back a better one.
What kind of better one?
one?
Say if you right what y'all sell it for?
Broke, baby.
Alright, you broke so how the hell you can buy back a better one?
In a long run.
When is that?
Alright, if me sell that, all the work go on. Me my all the work go on pan the big one there. No?
Okay, but how you want you said this or that, you broke or whatever. So all you want to sell my stuff. You never ask me, you never talk to me about it, you never say nothing. So all you want to sell my stuff. There's some of that Britneys, you can't sell my things. Or pawn it or whatever the frig you gonna do with it.
I sell, me not pawn it.
So, you're not selling it, I'm telling you right now, you're not selling it. You have to figure out another way, brother. You're not selling my laptop. That's for my work. You use your desktop for your work, and since you feel like say you want money, I your one to sell. Me not stop my nice. Okay, you can put back my things. Which part it go, please? Cause it not gone. No, it not going nowhere else but right there, so. Please don't.
Go with it now.
Go away with, you're not going nowhere with my things. You're not going away with my laptop, me say. You're not going anywhere with my laptop. So if you want it, you have to fight my feet today. Right. You're not going anywhere with my laptop. You're not going anywhere with my laptop, me say. You deaf?
So, but you're not even use the laptop?
Me use my laptop.
Do what?
I'm a son use it. You're not going anywhere with my laptop.
Yeah, me use it.
Yeah.
But you can't chill,
no,
man.
you're not getting my laptop, I said. Okay. I'm gonna drink my tea because this can't friggin' real. You must be joking. You have to be friggin' joking. Or you just get up in and
Babe, I know.
all of a sudden, I just hear you pan call. Yeah, brother, see it here. I come show up my things pan video. I don't know who you talk to.
But me I talk to him from over there.
Okay, but you talk to me, the owner of the laptop?
Babe, you're not even using something, man. And the iMac I do all I work. Yeah, so what you do with that?
Why ain't I sell your gimbal? That. When me pay for over $3,000 for buy gear. Why ain't I sell that?
It a work, man. It a have a big job.
You're not using it, a dirty for pawn. You're not pawn this.
Me not panning, not sell, me I sell it.
Well, sell pawn, I don't care. It's not leaving out of this apartment. Okay. So take off your jacket and your pants and everything else and relax in your bed because this is not going anywhere and neither are you. Well, you can go on, but this now go. Get your rascal.
Give me this.
You're not freaking get the laptop, you hear? Like I'm a foot, come in, mash up your head with this. You're gonna come talk about you want to take my things, but rather mash it up on you down for give you for sale.
Well, mash up. Mash up then.
Get your
Give me this.
You're not blood.
Mash up my chair.
Me not get a laptop today.
Alright, me sell my chair.
Me, I stand up and you not get a laptop today. So what? You're not.
One post.
You post what? Go post on that. You say it do all of the work. Go post on that. You not get this. You're bright and feisty like. Move from us saying that because you're not getting a laptop, you know. Alright? Yo, what could have caused this in the morning here, Georgia? What could have caused him to want to come sell my things down in the morning here? What possessed you for things that you can't sell the stuff?
You don't say me not no money. Yeah, money.
So what people do when them not have the money?
Sell what them have and get the money.
No.
What?
You would to sell what them have. This is not yours. You're not selling it. And don't tell me about me can't use this laptop because this is a company laptop. This is no.
You can't use it. You can't use the desktop, baby.
No. I work hard, save up my money, and buy my laptop for my personal use. You're not selling my laptop. You want me to spell it for you?
Yeah.
Your Y-O-U-R not N-O-T selling S-E-L-L-I-N-G my M-Y laptop L-A-P-T-O-P. You're not selling my laptop.
That one should I use it?
Don't ask me nothing. You want me to tell you what for sell?
Mm-hmm.
Sell that. Go sell your old pan business. You're not getting a laptop.
Easy.
You never know something that easy? You never get me easy, so you should know.
But never virgin, right?
That one ain't not even funny, you know? That one ain't not funny, you know? Because, you just get up. I just see this man on FaceTime. I show somebody, me don't even know who. I show somebody my things. I come talk about, yeah, dog, I eat this, man. And I put a jacket too. For God's sake, for God sell my things. When don't ask me no permission. Alright, say you never want to ask me no permission. You never, yeah, but you never even come and have a conversation with me. You never come and have a conversation with me. I say, babes, alright then, money, this or whatever, me think, say, me want to sell the laptop. Me could sell the laptop. Make me and you come to agreement.
Alright, make we sell it then, man. I told me I get
the answer is no, no, and no. How much money I gonna get?
1,000 feet.
$1,000 for my things?
Yeah.
You're mad, man. You must joke, you make. You have to be freaking joking. Me pay more than $1,000 for my things.
What you pay for?
I don't remember, but I'm more than $1,000. Yeah, you're not easy. I will make travel and them something that I need my laptop.
Me never say she travel with her laptop yet.
Yes, I do. When I got Florida, I may travel, I may vlog, me travel with my laptop, don't I? I have my book bag with my laptop in it.
So when me and her got Florida, she not bring none?
Can you tell me not bring it? Because if we trip them when we go travel, and some short, quick thing and we come back. When me travel sometime a week, me gone or so I can load off my things and edit my videos them. For what channel? You come in here about laptop. You sell laptop. You know it, boy? You talk about you sell it. And what if I think you buy for me, but this you never buy?
All good.
Yeah, I know it's all good. It is gonna be all good. You better call back the person and tell him say the transaction declined because it's not going away.
can't just say something. I'm going to say something like something.
I don't business where you and him want to say, because I never did one under the plan for sell my things. So you and him figure out what you want to
Yo,
say.
my general.
Yeah, my general.
You know
You're not getting my laptop, so I don't know what to tell you. You better figure something out, sir.
The woman know I'm going to sell it. The woman know I'm going to sell the laptop. Don't you want to sell it?
I never seen somebody so damn bright. How the hell you're just... It's a good thing I never do all that work. Because I said, oh, the hell if you just come in here and want to come sell my laptop. Like, what? Who does that? Want to change that clear up now?
No, but remember, say, I try to tell you, so I have the iMac, brother, when I use to the editing, where she no use the laptop again. Because me I do all the editing. Me nobody use that. So I don't know, it there does not do nothing. We just look, open and look what go on behind the scene. That's it. We can do it on the iMac.
No, you sell the desktop and we'll do all of the work on this. How about that? That's a good deal. Very nice. This can't go nowhere. This can't get to pick up and move. This can't pick up and go anywhere. That can't move. So I better sell that.
1,000 feet, but it coming like you know, go can't lend me 5 bills. Yeah, she go on and go on like she not use the thing in her brethren. That I burn me now.
Well, burn. For burn over people things. You not easy.
Eh?
You better burn to ashes because me not understand you to burn you because we don't want to give up my thing for you sell it.
I got me like Jaja.
Yes, sir. You need to hang up with that man there. Can you
Yo,
get a laptop?
look on my general. Yeah.
You're not getting a freaking laptop in here. You must be crazy. I'll come talk about and they have the nerve for come and talk about it burn you. Burn what? It burned me. So you want to take up my things without my knowledge and for sale? And that burn me. You come talk about burn?
Me I get hot.
Yes, fan away. Turn on all the fan too because me I get hot. But every while you're near me, I have to go find somewhere hide my things when I sleep because me not trust it with my laptop that's still right to your side of me. Cause anytime you come over here, you have to come to the laptop, one pooper kick.
That's serious?
Yeah, why girl?
I never claim to be one. Never claim to be, but I will defend what is mine.
Alright, let me laptop.
Let me to do what?
Me go do something.
You can't touch back this laptop, but that me I tell
Give me
you.
chair.
Which chair?
You man will pop off this to blood clean.
Pop off what? It don't pop off.
One do some work.
Okay.
No, if you can't get the laptop, give me my chair. Simple. I never buy no chair.
You know that's not nice.
What you mean that not
That's
nice?
not nice.
What you mean?
Because I disagree for you to sell my things without my knowledge. Now you want to take away the chair what me I use for work?
What because you not use the laptop? Yeah, use the chair. Someone just leave you alone, just make me go deal with it.
So where
The transaction,
where did I airdrop something last night to you? Pan?
Huh?
Where did I send an airdrop last night to? Not a
You
laptop.
could have emailed me.
Well, guess what? I'm not emailing you and you're not getting my laptop. So just done the argument. I'm going to have a peaceful life like I will live good. I will live loving and peaceful. I will have fun. I will trouble each other. But this trouble now, coming like say something fly up in your head or me don't know what take you today. The breeze, the cold air when you go outside, it fly up in your nose and go up in your brain and do some things. I don't know.
All right.
But you just okay.
Yes and no, yes and no.
I said no and done, right? And you understand
Stop,
you understand says no, right? Hello?
Stop that.
You understand says no, right?
Stop that now.
You understand says no, right? You just leave for
You
asking
just see
question.
two of them.
And I can't lock chat. Answer my question, I'm a lock chat. Answer my question, I'm a lock chat.
Yeah.
You understand says
Yeah,
no,
I
right?
understand.
Okay. Where you understand?
Says no.
Okay. Yeah, argument done now. Right, I'm face it. Don't make me have no issues in here. Me and you live good. Don't make me have issues in here. Okay.
And if I want to just sit
You
down.
can't walk his teeth, you know?
Never, you know, she not use the thing. You
Don't
use
put
your...
me in it. Don't tell me nothing.
So Devon,
I'm not agreeing with you
Devon have
selling
one
her
just
stuff.
like your one too. You know, can use it if you use Devon
No.
one if when we sell that man.
No, that's
But
why
you
she
know-
got her own.
But she not edit nor nothing. What thing she does, she not do nothing on it. Nothing at all. If where them, let me show up Devon is. All of them.
No, you're not showing Devon anything. You don't need to show Devon anything.
All I work.
Make Devon go for it. Free our laptop and you show up on free.
No. Don't put me in it. You not getting my
This is me never say not like this. Me I love a headache. But just there in my zone, I focus on. You're not getting a laptop. You're not here. You're not getting the laptop. I want. You don't see your ears odd? Your ears is very odd.
Devon is gone now. Give me.
You're not getting in the laptop. I said, you're not getting in the laptop. Okay, well, leave me alone and my laptop. Leave me and my laptop alone. And go find something else to sell. I'm not tell you already what for go sell and you don't want to sell it.
Yeah, boy.
Go sell your own.
Yeah,
I not
boy.
have to buy my own that move from yourself. You're not getting
Yeah,
my
boy.
laptop. If you make me dash with a coffee up and the people them.
Yeah, boy.
Alright?
Yeah, boy.
Get it. I just become all up on my computer and now make my
And that's why me I want to come one yet let it go.
Not letting it go.
Right out.
And I'm crutches me I put it so you go get it. Watch. Right here. You're not getting a laptop. Move from yourself. Move from yourself now. You're not getting a laptop. Yeah, it's some belly flat, rock hard ass.
Nah, that baby. A guy that.
Take this out of my things. You're too bright. You're
Boy.
too damn bright.
You
Don't
talk
come
too
with
much, man.
Things. Yeah. Like, I don't know who sent you. Get that shit.
What you
So where you do? So where you say? You think you... Get your ass off.
Take off this, man.
No! Leave
Yeah.
her alone.
But try. I don't know if it work good. But I don't know the thing setting up. Yeah.
Try what? I don't care what you want to try because you wasn't getting my laptop. So
Not me knock off our head.
knock off over Ed.
Your
Some
head?
people, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of knock off my head because I'm like, where the fuck him come from this man in here? All of a sudden want to sell my laptop with me, but like hell no, sell your stuff. What you own, you're bright. Don't sell my things. But him get me people, I soon come back and have a call. Why am I not lying? Now I sweat.
Yeah, she get a call, so I have to come out. I don't know the thing setting up. Yeah, good light now. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing setting up. I get her. Yeah, man, I get her. Or yourself, man. Just go and tune in and remember, like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? You don't know.